Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's tutorial is going to be a little bit different because today I am going to do a Python tutorial actually. So from usually we doing Blender of course, but now I'm gonna I'm gonna make a Python tutorial. So this is gonna be multiple tutorials, like episodes from 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure how many, but hopefully you guys enjoy, so I can have more variety also in my channel. Okay, so first, hopefully you've downloaded everything for Python, and here are some of the extensions I use. I use isort, material icon, theme, pylons, Python debugger, and Python environment. So make sure you already download all of those, and also before all of that, make sure you make a folder in your laptop anywhere. If you don't want it to be hard to find, just make a folder in your desktop and name it anything, like Python basic. So mine, I just save it Python. And once you do that, right click and then open in terminal. When you're open in terminal, click this code space dot, and it will open your Visual Studio Code also. And don't forget to download Python and VSS. Okay, so the first tutorial is going to be, we're gonna learn variable and type data. So we're gonna know what the type of the data is and what is the variable of it. So let's name it variable underscore type. Let's do that, dot p1. Every time you want to make a Python file, make sure that in the end is .py, not other ones. Okay, so first let's do print out variable and type data. So if you're in the code, you don't have to use underscore because it already counts as a string, and if you guys don't know what a string is basically text. It's basically a text. So okay, start off that. Print is printing out the text or number or anything like that. Okay, so let's say a fruit. I'll go with mango. I'm going with mango, and for the price, let's make the price around 4,000 or 40,000. No, actually no. It's like 4,000. No, this is not $4,000 or anything. Okay. Okay, so next is, let's print out what the type data. So this is a string and this is a integer. A integer is a number. Type the type is a number pretty much. So let's do this. Type data from variable fruit, and then you can do this actually. F is forward, but also if you don't understand my explanation, you can just hover over them. It's supposed to show up. It's supposed to be like this. I don't know why the forward is not showing. It's supposed to be this. And then boom. Where is the other? Oh, oops. Oh, this and then this. Okay. And stick fruit. So this will show the fruit that we wrote. So I wrote mango. You guys can just write anything you want. So fruit type data from variable fruit. The fruit is what fruit mango is equals to comma the type of fruit. Type of fruit. So this is how you spell out. So here. Type data from the fruit. Click here, or if you can, Python. So I forgot. My bad. You can just click this. Actually, run Python. Okay, so random type data. Type data from variable fruit, mango, is a string, basically a text. So if we do for the price, we can just paste it, but change the what is it? The text price. Price. Alright. Change alt price, and it will show up a different one. Not a string, but this time it's going to be integer because it's a number. For a number, you don't have to use these what's called quote unquote pretty much. So yeah, for integer. Now there is another one which is called a float. A float is a number also, basically an integer, but it has commas. So if you're printing a number with commas, it will be a float, not a integer. Oh wait, actually it's like a folder, so it looks better. Let's make it variable type beta. Get that? I forgot actually. Let's put it here. So it's more clean. So just now. And let's do a little bit of math here. So print out this forward and this. So if you guys wonder what this is, so this is so it has a gap. So look at this. They don't have a gap. Once you put this on, they will have a gap from this one. So okay, and then oops, price of fruit, and let's do this fruit is price per kilograms. Price per kilograms. Okay, now we can run that. I didn't do any math. Oh my bad. So price fruit mango is so price fruit mango is 4,000 per kilo. So per kilograms. Look at that. So that's the first thing of this tutorial. That's our first thing. So you guys understand the fundamentals of Python. Okay, so let's make a new one. Okay, let's use our brains a little bit. So we're gonna make a math operation actually. Basic math operation. Basic math operation. Not Python. Okay. So let's print out. Print okay. Basic math operation. Alright. And then also let's print this out. So it's like a menu pretty much. Alright. So let's make this. I'd say number one is, so you can make this any number you like. So I'm gonna make number 5 for number 1. And then number 2, or current second number, first number, let's make it 2. Alright. So we're gonna do some basic math. So print out We're gonna use forward again so it looks a little bit better. Number one, number one plus. Wait, no, that's not right. Okay, my keyboard is not working. Number two. Okay, number one plus number two equals to. Okay, so equals to the final. So we can't just write this down because it won't work actually. We're gonna have to write it like this. So, oh wait, no, we don't. Number one plus number two. Now it will show us what the answer is. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Ooh. So that's how you do that. Let's do the other math operations. Let's do minus. You know? Yeah. Actually, you can just copy this. So it's faster. But not everything you have to copy and paste. Let's say this. And this. Oops. Forgot to add it. Let's do. So we'll print it later. So print. Oh no. As I said, you can just copy and paste it. So this time, let's do times. So 5 times 2 equals to how much? 5 times 2 equals to how much? And the last one, let's do divide. You can just do that, and let's click it. Boom. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 5 minus 2 equals 3, and 5 times 2 equals to 10, and 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So this is pretty much 7 is an integer, 3 is an integer, 10 is an integer, and 2.5 is a float. Okay, so let's make the last thing from this. So this is gonna be a bit long and not really long. So the last one, let's make it a little bit harder. So let's make a mini cashier. Actually, I feel this mini cashier. It's gonna be a pretty nice. I think you guys would understand more about Python. So let's print out. So print a mini cashier. Alright. So mini cashier. So let's do the product. I'm gonna do milk. Let's do milk. Alright. For the price, I'm gonna make the price. I say 5,000. My currency. So amount. Oh no, quantity. Let's do the quantity. So there's. I'm gonna say there's 10 quantities. Let's make paid to true here. So you're gonna have like a paid, and if they have paid or not based on this. Based on the paid equals to true or false. Okay, so I'll explain that more later when I write the code down. So let's print out this. Let's make this. So let's make a border page. So let's print like the form, but this time we don't need to use forward because it's just a product, comma product. So yes, I'm sorry, I didn't explain because I was asking why I have to do this product, quote-unquote products, comma product, because this is a way of printing it. So product equals to milk, so it's not just right like this. Print product, quote-unquote product. And it won't work. It will only just print out product. So, so you have to do product, product or anything, comma, you have to put a comma first, then the variable you call. So like that. Okay, so next one is okay. Let's do the quantity of the product. So how much is there? With the quantity, and let's make it. Let's make the price per milk. So let's do price per item. Per so it's price per. Per milk. Where we're selling milk. So it's per price. Okay, so let's make another one. Boom. Alright, so now let's print out the total of all of this. So total of how much we bought. Things like that. So something costs less because I don't have wrong. Who buys 10 milk? Worth milk, I guess. So, price times how much we bought. So price times quantity is how much we bought. If it's plus, that's just 5,000 more. It wouldn't be the price. So now, there's something called Terna, the upper recall. Okay. So let's print out. Have the customer paid, and let's do let's just do paid or not paid. Yeah, let's do that. Paid. Half day paid Genesis or half day paid. Paid. Master just paid equals so pretty much after they paid, they have to just can't print out paid. If they haven't paid. Pretty much okay. So now, okay, if it's paid, so it says it's paid. Let's actually no, let's say it's already paid. So let's print that if it's already paid. So we're gonna use if here. Let's open it to you guys. That's new to Python. So it's already paid if paid equals to 2 times. So if it's equals to 2 times, then we have to accurately be the same. So if paid equals to true here, so it has to say true. If it doesn't, then it won't print it out or it will fail. So else it has not been paid yet. So here, so that's it pretty much. So have they paid? It's already paid if the paid equals to true. So if it's not true, it's gonna print out it has not been paid. So let's try it out. So mini cashier. The product is a milk, the quantity is 4, and the price per milk is 5,000. So the total is going to be 20,000, and have they paid? It's already paid. If we change it to false, now this time it's going to print out it has not been paid yet, as you can see here. It has not been paid yet. Oh, so that's going to be it for today's tutorial actually. So I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial. Next tutorial, I'm gonna surprise what it is, but make sure not to delete this folder because we're gonna use the same folder, of course. So we don't have to take much of this. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next Python tutorial. So see you guys later, and goodbye. Make sure to subscribe and like. Don't forget. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.